In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Webex meeting on your Android device. Let's start by getting you set up with the Webex Meetings app if you don't already have it. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Webex Meetings, and download the app to your phone. Once the app is installed, open it up. Upon opening for the first time, you'll notice that the app requests permissions to access your microphone, video, and possibly your contacts. These permissions are essential for participating in meetings, so make sure to allow them. Now let's dive into the process of joining a meeting. The simplest way to join is by using the invitation link you received via email. Look for the Join Meeting button in the email and give it a tap. Your Android phone will recognize the link and will either prompt you to install the app if you haven't already done so, or open the app directly if it's already installed. As you open the app, it might prompt you again to allow access to your microphone and video, essential steps to fully participate in the meeting. These permissions ensure that you'll be able to see, be seen, and communicate effectively during your session. Once you're on the pre-meeting screen, take a moment to configure your settings. Here, you'll have the option to toggle your microphone and video on or off, depending on your preference. If you do not want to be seen or heard when you first enter, turning these options off might be a good idea. Additionally, you can select to use internet audio, which is often more reliable than a phone connection and doesn't tie up your phone line. Ready to hop into the meeting? Simply tap the Join button and you'll be successfully connected to your Webex meeting. For those occasions where the link isn't available or you prefer a different method, there are alternative ways to join. One option is to join by phone if you only need the audio part of the meeting. You can simply tap the phone number included in the meeting invitation. This option is quite handy if you're on the go and can't use the app or need to preserve battery life. Alternatively, you can manually enter the meeting details. Open up the Webex Meetings app and tap Join Meeting. You'll need to enter the meeting number or the host's personal room URL, both of which can be found in the initial meeting invitation. This method is especially useful if you frequent the same meeting rooms or have recurring appointments. And there you have it, a seamless approach to joining a Webex meeting on your Android device. Following these steps should ensure you can stay connected and collaborate effectively with your team or peers. Thank you for watching and happy meeting.